It's windy. Oh my goodness, what is that? I heard something. Hello guys. Diri ako sa shed. Parang makaano din sa shed. So hot naman. Synchro lagay dyan kasi pag namatay ang ibon dyan sa sa pan na yan, yung tubig ba, may tubig yan, may penalty sila malaki kasi bawal mamatay dito ng ibon. Obligasyon nila magbayad, mag-penalty sila sa government. Ganyan dito, ganyan lang. Ito malaking yan, walang makapasok. May nga dito, gate. Walang makapasok, may gate yan. Malayo siya, malaki siya, parang mountain pero maganda. Diba maganda, ni-maintain din nila to, ni-maintain din nila, maganda, malaki, diba? Yeah, thank you for watching. Diba maganda siya, walang pong lumapit sa malapit masyado, kaya malaking tubig siya, diba? Pag winter, frozen yan dito. When it's winter time, na-froze yan, frozen. But now, it's not frozen. That's for the water. Then, it's not allowed that there's animal that they did on that there. That water is, ayun ko, mamatay yung mga ibon pag natugpa dyan. May chemicals yata yan. Yan, Synchro, the old oil company around Canada, around the world. Marami din nagbibisita dito. You heard that? Someone are visiting to see? It's a distance. That one. It's very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Ayan. Mga lupa ng mga First Nation. Okay, tama na yan. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all. You watched till the end of my video.